Hi, what's up everyone? A lot of people don't really know me, but I'll tell you a little small history about me. So when I was 15, I got into photos, started taking photos and videos, mainly just photos, till about 4 or 5 years ago, I started to get into video, which I brought over all my knowledge from photos to video. At the age of 28, I had a minor stroke, which completely changed my life around and got me to stop taking caffeine. And ever since, I've been just eating clean foods, and I've noticed I have a lot more energy than what I would have when I was drinking caffeine. I've been 4 years sober, haven't smoked or drank. I recently just started going back to the gym in November of 2025 after a reality check with one of my friend's daughters at the playground. I could not keep up with them, even going up a slide, which was very embarrassing. So I started to work out back in the beginning of December and started to eat very right and clean after I met one of my friends, which became one of my best friends, which is really nice because I started to see a whole different perspective on life and how I eat, which was very amazing. And it's crazy because I only need 3 types of food to eat to sustain the body that I want, the clear mind, no foggy thinking or anything, or sleep, oh no, not sleep, speech impairment. I was really thinking that I was losing my voice and I could not say specific words and stuff. Like right now, I have a little tiny bit, but it's gone completely. It's just from eating steak, eggs, and avocado. That's my main 3 things I eat throughout the whole entire day. And of course, water, which is very helpful. So now this is me right here, 32 years old in February. This is what I look like right now. I got some of my muscle memory back from a couple of years ago, which came back in about 30 days. Right now, I'm just trying to improve better on myself, endurance, strength. I'll eventually get there. This is just a beginning video for me after my first 30, 60 days from the gym. And I want to look back to myself right now, 6 months from now, to see where I'm at and where I achieved. All right, nice seeing myself again and nice seeing everyone. I'll keep you guys updated.